Hey, welcome back to the workshop. It's been a little while. I finished the top. I've been driving the car. It's been great. I've been having a great time. Top works great. I didn't really do any videos on the top. I'm not an expert. This is my first convertible top I've ever done. It came out pretty good considering the old top was like trashed. I wasn't able to use it as a template, which is what they tell you to do. So I kind of had to rough it out and eyeball a lot of things, but it came out really good. I'm real happy with it. It works well. I got a couple wrinkles, couple soft spots where it loosened up a little bit, but it was challenging. It was real challenging. It's one of the hardest things I've ever done, I think. And but it came out good. It's so much better than the old one, obviously, because the old one was all ripped. It was missing the window. All this was ripped out. It wouldn't open because it was so tight. But anyway, I'm happy with it. I got a little more work to do with it. I got a trim piece to go in here. There's like a filler piece that goes in. But anyway, what I'm working on today is I'm rebuilding the washer pump. This car has a windshield washer pump and reservoir, and it pumps, it works, but the fluid barely comes out. It just kind of dribbles out. So I was looking at new units. I took this apart. It works fine, nothing's broken, but they do sell rebuild kits. I got one from Best Offer Counts. These guys, I like these guys. I get all this stuff from them. It's the O-rings and the plastic pump piece. You don't even have to take it off the car. So I'm just throwing this on now. These little bellows come included. You got to pop them on. You just push them through. There's like a little rubber nub that pulls through. You got to pull it through there carefully, not to rip it. And you got this triple O-ring that goes on next. Now here's the old one. And then this is the piece. I think this goes on top here. Then the whole unit goes back on. Oh, and there's a new O-ring that goes around the actual bellows pump. And basically all this thing is what it looks like. It's like a hand sprayer pump. There's a gear in here. When you hit the washer, it engages, and it runs a piston in and out that pumps this rubber bellows, and it just draws it in and pumps it. It's pretty cool. So I hope this works to be able to have the original one in there because the wipers work and everything. But yeah, that's where it is. More to come. Take care.